Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm not doing a shave test today. Instead I'm doing a before and after restoration project, shall we say. I've been encouraged recently by some of my YouTube subscribers. The next time I do a restoration of a straight razor, to show what it was like before I started any work on it. This one's about must be 12 o'clock. This is the state of the scales. As you can see, I bought these as a job lot. I didn't buy it intentionally. I just bought them because they were quite attractive tortoise shell scales. And when I took them out of the box, the whole lot just fell apart. And this is the blade. It's quite a decent blade, looking a bit tired. It's got Swordplay, German. The other side's quite plain. And as you can see, I've just started making some more scales. I think this is Bubinga wood, but that's the basic shape. Nice little scallop shape. So I'll finish this off today and then restore the blade this afternoon or tomorrow, and then show you the finished article. Alright, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you in a couple of days. Bye for now.